Let me show you what you can do in order to solve issues with your hotspot on POCO C85. So we're gonna just open settings and then proceed to portable hotspot. Now in here, we should be able to, of course, enable or disable hotspot. So the first thing that we can do is activate the hotspot and share the QR code, which can be quite useful when, for example, we have issues with connecting to the hotspot on another device. So if the hotspot cannot be found on another device, and you have the option to scan Wi-Fi QR codes, then this is what you can do. Just generate the QR code, scan it on the other device, and you should be able to connect without having to enter the password. Of course, remember that you can also change the password of your hotspot if you go to set up portable hotspot, and in here you tap on this eye, you can reveal the password, but also you can change the password to something shorter, much simpler. Another thing that I want to mention is the one-time data limit, which might be enabled in your case, and it can be the reason why, for example, the hotspot is being disconnected, or why the access to the internet is very limited on the hotspot when using the hotspot. So you might want to check it out, and you might want to turn it off, for example, unless you actually want to have the data limit, of course. This option, of course, can also be the reason why you have some issues. For example, if the hotspot gets disconnected after 10 minutes, then this is most likely the reason. So there's this option, turn off hotspot automatically. Technically, it works only when no device is connected. So if you want your hotspot to still be on, even though there might be no connection from other devices, maybe other devices are not connected to your hotspot yet, you can of course disable this option so you can then manually enable and disable your hotspot as you wish. And that is essentially everything that we can do in order to try to solve issues with the hotspot on POCO C85. Subscribe to my channel.